Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 related to its latest update with the version number 063. So in this particular video, we'll be seeing how to download the Delta or a FOTA package of 173 MB rather than the full update or full firmware update of 1.52 GB. Let me repeat it. In this particular video, we will see how to download and install the Delta or OTA package of 173 MB rather than full firmware update of 1.52 GB. So before we jump into that part, let me show you or confirm few things on my phone. So let me go to system, then about, and then Android version. So at this moment, my phone is in version 061 with the security patch level of 5th February 2020. And apart to this, let me show you the status of camera to API at this moment. So status of camera to API is showing legacy, and we'll see after updating this phone with the FOTA or Delta package, will it change or not. And apart to this White 1 certification, it is still showing me L3. And we'll see after updating this phone with the FOTA or Delta package, will it change or not. So now let's move to the installation part, but before that we have to discuss few things. For this I have already created a dedicated article on my official blog. The URL for the same will be provided to you in the description below. So let's move to that. So basically nothing major have been mentioned in this particular article, or I would say blog. Just few build number, then this update will update your phone from version 061 to 63. Then this is a change log that is updated to April 2020 security patch, updated the APN list and so on. Apart to this, this is the update method. So download the file from the below mentioned URL or link. So at this time I didn't get the, I would say, OTA package from official Asus server side, but whenever I'll be getting that, I'll update this section. Whenever you will be viewing this particular video, you can refer that. But at this moment I have got link from a Savan Sharma. So it's a Telegram ID of this particular custom ROM developer or a developer. So this particular link will upgrade your phone from version 061 to 63. Just tap it here and afterward it will open in a Google Drive like this. And once it will be properly loaded, you just have to tap it here and just download it. And after downloading, the file will be downloaded to your download folder like this. Let me show you. So after this, you have to rename this particular file. So let's move to the blog again. So you have to rename the file to this name, that is ul-asus_x00t and up to all this. Once you will rename it, just move it to the internal storage. I have already done that part to cut down the time. Let me move to the internal storage. So here is the file with all the after renaming it. Now we are good to go with the restart process. So let me again tell you, I am already getting a Asus FOTA update as well, but we will be focusing on this particular, I would say, Delta package. So for that, I am just going to restart my phone, and it will take nearly about 1 or hardly 2 minutes to boot in again to the home screen. So wait till then. So finally, we have been booted to our home screen. Now a prompt has been shown, system update file detected. Let me tap on it. But before that, it is also showing me the FOTA service. If you are getting FOTA service, then there is no need to this. This is only for the users who are not getting this part. That's why I have created this video. So I'm just going to tap it here and it is showing me 177 something, which is approximately 173 MB because this is in KB. Just tap on OK. And afterward your phone will be preparing for the update, and as soon as the preparation process will be completed, your phone will be rebooted and the installation process will be invoked in the background. Just wait for 3 to 4 seconds until unless you see the message as system update install or so on. It will hardly be 2 or 3 seconds more. So it's like installing system update. So now we have to wait at least 3 to 4 minutes to complete this whole process, and afterward we'll move to the next steps and verify a few other things. So installation process is almost going to complete now, and it will reboot our phone, and afterward just wait for 2 to 3 more minutes until unless everything will be set up in the background and your phone will be booted to the home screen. So finally the phone has been rebooted. Just wait for next few minutes. So finally the phone has been booted to the home screen, and again on my phone screen you are able to view finishing system update. So it means that update has been successfully installed. Now it will show us a prompt that system update successful. Just wait for that particular prompt. So by mistake I have clicked on OK, so I'm not able to show you that particular prompt, but let's verify by going into the system and settings. So system, then about section, and afterward Android version 9. So finally, our phone has been updated to the version 063 with the security patch level of 5th April 2020. Now let's verify the status of camera to API after this update. It is still legacy and it's really disgusting. We are waiting from very long time, and apart to this wide one certification. So let's see. Again, it is L3. So it's really bad to see that Asus can't even resolve this particular minor issue, which is just providing us L3 to L1 for the white certification. It is not a rocket size or a major thing which they have to do. They don't even have to move a whole software stack. It is hardly a few settings and so on. And apart to this, we will surely be creating a review video in coming 2 to 3 days, and I have already created few videos on how to download manually. If someone has not got, I have also shown the demonstration of OTA update as well, that it is readily available and so on after seeding on your phone. So stay tuned, like you can even watch those in our on our YouTube channel. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.